Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to explain you why you can't buy crypto on Coinbase. Now let's go to my Coinbase account, and as you can see here guys, this is my account. And if you would want to buy a cryptocurrency, you have two options. One is by clicking on buy and sell here at the very top and selecting payment method guys. And another one is if you are going to home and you are selecting like all cryptocurrencies, you're clicking on see all and you select any cryptocurrency which you would want to buy. Let's click on Zcash, and here on the right hand side say you enter how much you would want to spend, but this button preview buy, this is inactive for some reason. And the same happens if you select some cryptocurrency, and here as well if you enter some amount, this button preview buy, it is inactive and you can't buy cryptocurrency. So this is the reason which is caused by Coinbase itself, because Coinbase has set limits to your account. For example, if you are using Coinbase, just you are a new beginner and you haven't bought cryptocurrency for a while and you have no history or transaction history with Coinbase, they are limiting your account to some particular amount per week, for example, or per day. It depends on your account history. As you can see, I have selected PayPal, but I can also select my governor, and if I will enter here amount, you can see this small writing here which says you can't buy up to €0. Only when this text you can buy up to €0, only when it will tell you your limit, only then you will be able to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase. And like I mentioned guys, this is according to their policies, where depending on your account history, they are setting a buy limits on your Coinbase account. And to learn more about account limits and about settings, how they are doing this, you can go to their help documentation and search for account limits. So yes guys, this is why you can't buy crypto on Coinbase. And if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next one.